Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset Slack's password. Forgot your Slack password? No worries. In this video tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to reset your Slack's password so you can get back your account very fast. Now let's start by following these few simple steps together. The first step is to go to your web browser and then type in the search bar slack.com/signin. And you will be directed to this page right here. From this page, make sure you enter the email you used for the Slack's account in this area and click on sign in with email. Once you click on sign in with email, an email address will be sent to your email to confirm this task. Now hit confirm and Slack will send you a reset email. Now for the third step is to open your email inbox. And to do that, just go to your Gmail and look for a message from Slack. It's usually the most recent one. Click on it and there you will find the link that says click to reset your password. Click on it. As for the fourth step is to create a new password. Now while accessing that link, enter a new strong password and confirm it and then click on save. And for the fifth and final step, log in with your new password. You can do that by returning to Slack and enter your email address and then enter your new password and you're back in. And that's it, you've successfully reset your Slack password. Make sure to keep your login details safe and secure and use a password manager to store your Slack's password securely. And that's it. That's how you reset your Slack's password. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.